Integrations, email and external services. Hi, welcome to another Nosebee tutorial. If you use Dropbox, Evernote, Google Drive, or other supported cloud services, you can integrate them with Nosebee to be even more productive. Once you connect your favorite apps to Nosebee, you will be able to easily attach files and notes to your tasks and projects. Just go to Settings in Nosebee and choose Integrations. Here you'll find a list of services that you can integrate with your account. Just click the Connect button and go through the integration process. If you find the procedure complicated, we've got a dedicated tutorial for every app. You'll find the links in the description of this video. Okay. Sometimes it makes much more sense to link a file in a task than to upload it as a comment. Here's an example. I wrote a script for the video and now I need Sarah's feedback. The file with the script is in the Dropbox folder that's shared with her. Let's add it as a comment and ask Sarah what she thinks about the storyline. This way, Sarah doesn't need to download a file, edit it, and upload it again. She can review and modify the script directly in the text file on her computer. The Dropbox link in the task comment will be valid even after Sarah's edits. Now, let's pin it to the top so that the most recent version of the document is always at our fingertips. This is only one example of how handy Nosebee integrations are. The possibilities are endless, and you can still store your notes in Evernote, your files in Dropbox, and your tasks in Nosebee. Email integration. We talked about email integration in the second part of this video series. As you might remember, you can add tasks by sending an email to your personal Nosebee email address that can be easily found and modified in Settings. Any email forwarded to your Nosebee email address will be automatically converted into a task in your Nosebee app. As you can see, your email subject line becomes a task name and the body of the message will be converted into a task comment. Let's manually add this task to a shared project and ask the team what they think. That was just the beginning. Using email integration, you can add multiple tasks to Nosebee at once. Just start every line of your email with a period and a space. Then write down as many tasks as you'd like. You can also add a comment to each task by writing it on the line below the task name. Keep in mind that if you use this method, your email subject line won't be taken into account. This is a great way to speed things up. To optimize your actions even more, you can add your Nosebee email address to your contacts. What about task parameters? No worries. You can set a task deadline, time needed, responsibility, etc. via email using a hashtag and a relevant parameter, date, time, or colleague's name. If you like working with checklists, you can add a task with one via email too. Check out this example. The email subject line will become the task name. To create a checklist, write down your checklist items. Remember to open each line with a dash in parentheses. If you wish to mark any of your checklist items as done, use a plus sign instead of a dash. Pro tip. As usual, we'll wrap this part up with a special tip. It's also possible to add a comment to an existing task via email. In the subject line, write a hashtag, task, : and follow it with the task name. Then, type your comment in the body of the message and send the email to your personal Nosebee email address. Nosebee is smart. You don't have to write the entire task name. One word or even a few letters will be enough, although you need to make sure the phrase you use only matches the desired task. If it matches other tasks too, the comment will be randomly assigned to one of them. The same rule works for parameters. If you want to add a task to the project called the firm, it's enough to use hashtag firm when using email integration. Remember that you can't have any other projects containing firm on your project list in order for this to work. In the next video, we'll talk about another awesome feature: templates, real-time savers. See you there!